Did you know you can fully customize the sending of push notifications in Backfrap? Hi, I'm Alex, the architect for Backfrap, and this is Talking to the Architect. And many times when you start sending push notifications, you stick to the basics, such as changing the message, but we have so many other options that you can use. So to illustrate that today, I created a user class with a few users, and every time these users install the application inside their devices, it will create an installation class and it will save a new record for that user inside that installation class. And that installation class has some useful values that I can use to filter those users and create audiences. So to see that, we're going to go to More and Push. And in here I have the everyone audience that will hit every single user in my installation class. And I created a new one for only iOS and Android, which will hit only these systems users, and only tvOS, which will reach only tvOS users. If I want to create a new audience, all I have to do is click this create an audience, choose the platform in here, so such as Mac OS. If I want to use it for sending push notifications regularly, I can save this audience by clicking this check mark and then writing a name for it. So only OS X. And if I have more details inside my installation class, I can click this add a condition button here, and it will go through the schema of that class, and I can use any parameter that any property inside that class to create a specific audience. So I can, for instance, save the gender of the user, the age, and I can use that information to hit a specific niche of users inside my whole database. So for today, the only OSX will be used. So my only OSX is now saved and I can start creating my message. I have two types of messages I can use. The text one, which is very basic, and a JSON one, which allows me to specify exactly what I'm going to send. So today we'll be using the text for the first example, and I'm going to write some text here. So my first new push from Backfrap. Also in here, I can choose to increment the app badge, which is the little number that shows over the application icon. If I put this, it will automatically change that number and give it one more. And I can also localize my message, such as in get the message translated for the language that the user chose to receive. So this is very useful if you operate in multiple parts of the world. And in here you will find also a preview showing how that that message will reach in different operational systems. So this is how your message, for instance, will show up into an Android device. It will have the like pattern, which is the name of my app on the top, and then my message right down under it. But if I want to go more advanced, I can also change this to JSON. And in here I have to write a specific JSON code that will allow me to customize the message as much as I want. So for instance, I can use APS. This will also be an object. And inside here, I can put in some data, such as the body, which is the body of my message. Hello. And for instance, for other platforms, I can even customize the sound that I'm going to show to the user. So sound, and then there are a few options of sound that you can put in here, and it will render it along together with your push notification message as soon as it arrives on the user's device. So this can go very advanced, and if you want me to record a video on every single option that we have for the JSON capabilities of push notification, please leave a comment on the comment section down below. If we get enough people interested, I can go and show you all the options that we have for JSON push notification. So if you found this content useful, please click the like button and consider subscribing to the channel so you can help us grow. Also, share this link with a friend and they can learn something too. If you already subscribed, thank you for that. And if you have any questions or suggestions, please leave it on the comment section down below. We always answer all the questions. And don't miss out our webinar on Thursday, next Thursday. It's totally free and we will discuss about real-time applications, and I'm sure we will learn a lot together. So I hope you found this useful and hope to see you back. See you soon. Bye bye.